welcome to the unique episode where I pull out my cell phone and real time do a freeform chat about how I'm managing with all of this health and fitness motivation stuff. Yeah, so enjoy this episode of Lynn's Brain. Okay, let's check this weather and see. Where's my weather app? There we go. Okay, ignore time limit. Okay, what is the weather? Ooh, rain. Shoot. Okay, hang on though. Hang on. Seattle. Crud. 8 a.m. Rain. 9 a.m. Rain. 10 a.m. Rain. Shoot. Okay, so it looks... it's gonna be raining. Okay, it's gonna be raining. That's just the way it is. So I'll just deal. I live in Seattle. It rains. That's the way it is. Okay. All right, Lynn, go to bed. Don't get stuck listening to podcasts. And go to bed, Lynn. Did you know that I teach online group fitness classes designed specifically for people with chronic illnesses, fibromyalgia, and the blind? Sign up for my free Zoom orientation at couch2active.com. That's www.couch2active.com. See you there.